With your CRM in Flash Intel is a very straightforward process. You would just come to the top right blue icon, go to Settings. On the left, you would go to CRM Integration, and you could see the various native support for these CRM integrations we have here. SalesLoft, Zoho, Outreach. Uh, we use HubSpot, so I'll use that as an example. You would just click on, before the first time you say it, it's going to show connect. So you would just click on connect. Here it shows manage because it's already connected. There's a few options that you have. The important ones that you want to take note of are the push activity settings for any email sequences and phone calls that you might make out of the platform. So you could choose if you want to have that activity logged or not. Just take a look there. Then come over to the mapping tab. And you'll just want to make sure that all the fields in HubSpot are correctly mapped to the fields here in Flash Intel. So that, there might be slightly different naming conventions. We also support custom fields down here, which would be displayed in the dialer, for example. So if your sales reps are calling out and you have some custom field, say like a customer ID, that could be displayed in the dialer when you're making those calls. So just make sure that the company and contact fields and any custom fields that you wanted to bring in as well are all mapped. For custom fields, you also have to say what type of field it is. So if it's an ID, it might be an int for a number. If it's text that's going to be displayed, you would put it as a string. And you also want to map the contact owner. So whoever is unlocking the data, when they unlock it, it's going to go under their name in your CRM, as well as any activity that's going out from that person. So if they're making calls, the activity is going to be logged under their name. So just make sure that your contacts are mapped too. And that is all for CRM integration. Very straightforward process.